Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can accept payments on Wix website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in here in Wix, and when you're gonna be here, you want to go on settings, and then you're gonna see accept payments. And when you're gonna be here, you're gonna see, okay, we got a credit card, we got a PayPal here, or you can add payment methods. And in my country, these are available, but if you're gonna have like be in different country, you can add multiple payments, right? And then like different payment methods. Now you can like set up the credit card with a Braintree, or you can set up like the PayPal one. And then I would like add here and connect my account, right? And this is how you simply do it. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And have a great day and goodbye. See ya. And now, I wanted to show you also yeah, that's pretty much it. You need to fill all the things here and yep. Goodbye.